This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paulette Bayer. Like a model. Davie area near Nova College. Excellent family area too. Near 595. 2 large bedrooms, 1 furnished and open floor plan for living dining room which are furnished. Eat-in kitchen. Private end unit with lovely waterfront view from your furnished screened balcony. Tile floors and immaculate condition. Tennis, pool, clubhouse. Partially furnished except for 1 bedroom near Arrowhead Golf Course. For more information, review the details below or contact Paulette Bayer at 954-804-2117.